My dear students or viewer, especially the students of first year HSC. In our previous classes, we discussed about various items of grammatical terms, especially narration, article, right forms of verbs, determiner, reference pronoun, etc. Today, we are going to discuss about tense, especially for the first year students of HSC level. If you want to learn English, you should have some practical knowledge. You should have completed tense, especially some structure for making sentence. Mainly, you should have some practical knowledge. Suppose we have heard a story, how to ride a bicycle. Ragib and Adib were two friends. They wanted to know how to ride a bicycle. Adib is very fool. He went to market and bought a book called How to Ride a Bicycle and he started reading it. On the other hand, Ragib is very clever. He took out his cycle to the street and started riding it. First time he fell off several times. Seeing the scenery, Adib laughed at. But by the time Adib finished only the first chapter of his book, Ragib learned fairly how to ride a bicycle. Here, Adib has theoretical knowledge. He learned how to work several parts of the cycle, but he can't ride it. But Ragib has practical knowledge to ride a cycle. But you should have practical knowledge. Practical knowledge is essential for learning anything. If you want to learn a language, especially second language, you should have practical knowledge. You should go to the place where everybody speaks in English and you should ask them some question and answer some question in English. If you want to go to market, you should make a list in English. If you receive a phone call, you should talk in English. In everywhere, you should speak in English. If you speak in English, you can learn English. Don't worry if you make mistakes. By making mistakes, you can learn English fairly well. If you want to speak in English fairly correct sentence, using correct sentence, you can't speak in English. First time you make some mistakes. By making mistakes, you can learn English. Let us go to the main topics. Tense. tense, present, past, future. Indefinite tense, there are three indefinite tense: present, past, future. Indefinite tense, present, past, future. Present indefinite tense, there is no auxiliary verb. Past indefinite tense, there is no auxiliary verb in active form. In a future indefinite tense, shall or will. Present indefinite tense, in a present indefinite tense, we use base form of verb. Verb 1 means present form of verb. Past indefinite tense, we use past form of verb. Verb 2. Future indefinite tense, we use present form of verb. In a active form, no auxiliary verb. Verb 1. Past indefinite tense, no auxiliary verb. Verb 2. Future indefinite tense, shall or will. Verb 1. In a passive form, present indefinite tense, in a passive form, we use am, is, are plus past participle form. In a past indefinite tense, we use was, oblique, were plus past participle form. In a future indefinite tense, we use shall be or will be plus past participle form. Overall, there is no V1, V2, V1. Am is are plus PP, was are plus PP, shall be will be plus PP. You should memorize it. Example: I eat rice. Present indefinite tense V1. Present indefinite tense V1. I ate rice. Past indefinite tense V2. I shall eat rice. Future indefinite tense V1, shall will plus V1. In a passive forms of these sentences, rice is eaten by me. Rice was eaten by me. Rice will be eaten by me. Then continuous tense: present, past, future. Present continuous tense, auxiliary verb am, is, are. Past continuous was, were. Future continuous shall be, will be. All continuous tense should have verb plus ing. In a passive form, am being, is being, are being, was being, were being, shall be being, will be being, plus past participle form. Example: I am eating rice. Rice is being eaten by me. I was eating rice. Rice was being eaten by me. I shall be eating rice. Rice will be being. Rice will be being eaten by me. Then perfect: present perfect, past perfect, future perfect. Present perfect, have, has plus PP. Past perfect, had plus PP. Future perfect, shall have, will have plus PP. In a passive form, have been, has been, had been. Have been, has been, had been. Shall have been, will have been, plus PP, past participle, past participle, past participle form. For example, I have eaten rice. I have eaten rice. I have eaten rice. Rice has been eaten by me. I had eaten rice. Rice had been eaten by me. I shall have eaten rice. Rice will have been eaten by me. Rice will have been eaten by me. We have got three tenses mainly: indefinite, continuous, perfect. Indefinite, present, past, future. Continuous, present, past, future. Perfect, present, past, future. Present continuous, there is no auxiliary verb. Present indefinite tense, there is no auxiliary verb. Past indefinite tense, there is no auxiliary verb. Future indefinite tense, shall or will. Here V1, V2, V1. V1, V2, V1. In a passive form, am, is, are, was, are, shall be, will be. In a continuous tense, am, is, are, was, are, shall be, will be. Am, is, are, was, are, shall be, will be. Am, is, are, was, are, shall be, will be. In a passive form, am being, is being, are being, was being, were being, shall be being, will be being. Present perfect, past perfect, future perfect. Have, has plus pp, had plus pp, shall have, will has plus pp. In a passive form, have been, has been, had been, shall have been, will have been. Have, has plus pp, have been, has been plus pp. Had plus pp, had been plus pp, shall have, will have plus pp, shall have been, will have been plus pp. This is active form, this is passive form. I have eaten rice. Rice has been eaten by me. I had eaten rice. Rice had been eaten by me. I shall have eaten rice. Rice will have been eaten by me. Have, has, had, V2. Same. You can use any kind of tense. Have, has, past activities, had, past activities, V2, past indefinite tense, also past activities. All of them are past indefinite tense. If you make sentence present past indefinite tense, all the tense, it will be correct. Have been, has been plus verb plus ing, present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense is similar to present